Hi, this is P.R. Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by taxbuddy.com. And first let us look at the global cues. And US markets are in correction mode. The Dow fell continuously for 5 days ever since the disappointing US jobs data came. And however, today the US futures are higher. But in fact, earlier also few times the US futures were higher. Say for example, on Friday, US futures were higher. In fact, US Dow opened around 250 point higher. But despite that, the markets fell. US Dow fell 500 point from intraday high to intraday low on Friday. So the global cues, we can say just mixed. Yes, some Asian markets are in green, some Asian markets are in red. And especially Hong Kong, it was up nearly 2% on Friday. Now it is 2% down. So we can say it's a mixed Asian cues, and Asian markets are trying to de-link from US markets. So that is what I can see in the last few days of price action. And looking at the local cues, markets are not falling, and despite Nifty shooting up 700, 800 point in last 7 or 8 trading sessions, in the last 3 trading sessions, we can say just it is consolidating. Tuesday, Wednesday fell 15 point each, on Thursday 15 point higher. So it's not a big deal, 10, 15 points. But however, an important thing to note is that on Friday, until 3 p.m., Nifty was trading closer to 17,300. In the last half an hour, there was a small rally of 60, 70 points. So, therefore, by looking at the global cues, by looking at the Asian cues, and also on Friday, FIAs were net buyers. So, the India VIX is also keep falling. Now it has fallen below 14. So by looking at all these things, I feel that the markets may consolidate probably with a negative bias. And by looking at the open interest, 17,400 is at the money call option or very near. And that has added huge open interest on weekly options. People are selling 17,400 call option in weekly and also selling 17,000 put option in the monthly options. So that's because 17,450 is the recent high, and 17,400 call option along with the premium. So the break even will be somewhere around 17,500. So people may think that because the markets are in correction mode, so Nifty may not take out 17,450. And however, as a hedge, they are selling 17,000 put option, because even if market falls, it may fall another 200 point or 300 point maximum. So it's not likely to fall below 17,000. So this is the view right now. And some stock specific news like Reliance Industries delayed their phone launch. The income tax department has extended the deadline for filing of income tax to December. That's because the Infosys has not done its part very well. And some IAP data came at 11.6%, but though it is because of a low base effect. And now the focus will turn to consumer price inflation today and wholesale price inflation data tomorrow. And SGX Nifty is just trading around 15-20 point lower. But again, in this type of markets, it's very difficult to believe the SGX Nifty. So overall, the market is expected to consolidate because of its huge run in the first 1 or 2 weeks. And how long this consolidation will last, that we do not know. But look for the key level. Nifty future 17,450. So once it is crossed, we can expect the next leg of the rally to continue. And who knows, it may happen this week itself. That's because a huge number of people are selling 17,400 call option. For one or the other reason, if market shoots up, these people will have to run for cover. Most of the time, markets in the short term moves higher because of short covering rather than buying by the genuine people. And stock specific, we can say metal stocks are stabilizing after some small correction. And I have already suggested selling Tata Steel 1300 put option. So now one can look at Hindalco. Now one can look at Hindalco, can consider selling some put option in Hindalco, which is looking bullish. Of course, any trade you do your own analysis and keep appropriate stop loss for that. So hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for watching.